guys, I'm Dan. We're gonna learn the saw today, the vertical bandsaw. I'm gonna show you how to operate it, change the feeds and speeds, closing of the vise on it, and turning on the coolant. So yeah, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna load our material in this vise here. We usually grab our material from the racks on the wall over here. Once we put it in here, the best way to operate this vise is have this handle sticking up and press down and just clamp it or push it to the material and then turn the knob. Before you turn the knob, usually you get your ruler, and the rulers are usually laying around here, and measure how long you want to cut your material. And whenever you measure your material to the saw, make sure you put your ruler on the right side of the blade, not on the left side, because if you do on the left side of the blade, you'll be shorter by a 1/16. So in this material, I'm going to be cutting 1 3/4 inches, and right now it's 1 3/4 inches. And I'm ready to cut per se. And on this side of the bandsaw, we have our on off coolant, and then our speed selector and our feed selector on this side. And since this is a aluminum piece that's 1 inch, we're gonna come on here and figure out what our feeds is. So for aluminum, it's going to be 300 feeds per minute. So we're just going to turn the knob to 300, and the feed is going to be 35 to 65, and we're kind of going to go in the middle, just say 40. And once we're ready, we'll press on this on button and kind of just wait for the coolant to start running. And once you're ready, you just flip this auto feed lever to the right side and it'll cut it for you. Once it's done, just turn it off the saw with this red button. Turn your auto feed back to the left, and you can either push the head of the saw or use this wheel. And then just grab your material and grab the blower and just blow off your part that you just cut. And there you go. Then after you're done cutting, just unscrew the knob, press forward and pull back. Then take out your material and just put it back to the rack if you got it from the rack, or you can take it to wherever you got it from.